Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167.
The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, rather than Friday. The signal is also used to test the effectiveness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official national weather.